Finding the slope of a line from the graph. Recall that the slope is a number that measures the steepness of the line. We can calculate the slope two different ways. If we are given the line itself, we can calculate the slope by counting from one point to another point the rise over the run. If we are given the ordered pairs, we can calculate the slope of the line using the slope formula. What we're going to work on today is calculating the slope of the line when we have the graph of a line. So here I have a line that has 2 points marked on it. You can use any 2 points to find the slope of the line. Here, what we want to do is we want to measure from one point to the other point how far we have to go up and how far we have to go over. That's what we refer to as the rise and the run. So to get from here up to here, I have to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my rise is 6. I would go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my run is 5. That would mean this line would have a slope of 6/5. Okay, let's try another one. Here I've got a line, and the 2 points that I have marked are the intercepts of that line. The point 0, 3 is the y-intercept because it's the point where the line is crossing the y-axis. The point 12, 0 is the x-intercept because it's the point where the line is crossing the x-axis. So if I want to calculate the slope, I'm still going to do rise over run, and I'm just going to count. If I start at this point, my y-intercept, I would go down 1, 2, 3. Now down is considered a negative direction. So I'm going to say that my rise is actually a negative 3. And then my run to get from here all the way over to here would be 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So my slope here is negative 3 over 12. Because it's in a fraction form, you want to always be sure to simplify that fraction if it will simplify. So this line has a slope of negative 1/4. Here I have one more line to look at. This line actually goes through the origin of the graph. The origin of the graph is the ordered pair 0, 0. And we have the point 5, 6. So to get from 0, 0 to the point 5, 6, we have to go down 6 units and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So the rise over the run of this line would be negative 6/5. Now because this line goes through the origin, we also know that it's going to have the form y equals mx plus b. So the equation of the line is going to be y equals whatever the slope is, the m is the slope, times x. So I can write the equation of this line as y equals negative 6/5 x. If the line doesn't go through the origin, that's something you'll do later. But for now, if the line goes through the origin, Your equation is simply y equals the slope times x.